sidebar. So I think our sidebar. So yeah, I'm uploading the course on YouTube. So our sidebar, okay, this is it. And okay, so we're gonna have our sidebar here. So we're gonna build our sidebar. Containers, and we're gonna have sidebar.view. And we have it here. I'm gonna have a div. So if we look at our sidebar, we can see it's very simple. We have a picture, then a name, details, and then the list. So Vuetify has, I think, a component like that. So we go here, we go to list. So Vuetify has pre-made template that's going to help us do this. So we have something like this, you can see. So we have this. So yeah, we are not going to really struggle with this because we have all the things done here in Vuetify. So you can see already done. Nice ones. Yeah. So we have a lot of them. Okay. So you just choose the one that suits what you are building or the project you are developing. So with us, first of all, we need to wrap everything under a div and then set our user profile and all that stuff. Yeah. So we have a div and then we can give it a class called sidebar because we are going to do the border radius and all that around it. And you have another div. That's this. So this div is going to take the profile side, and another div is going to take the link side. Okay, so clear? Yeah. So we have here, then so in here we can use view avatar. So avatar is the simplest way to create like profile images. Very simple. So we have it here like this. So you can see here. So you have the avatar and you have the source. The avatar has an image and it has a source. Okay, so you can copy that and you just paste it. So we can do the size 80 because it needs to be really small. And then the image, we need to go and copy some, what do you call it, profile image. Something like this. It needs to be transparent, or we can use an avatar. So let me see this. Yeah, this is not bad. So we can say save image as straight to the desktop, save, and just like we did in our previous one. Come down. Go to assets, images, and we put it there. Like done. Alright, so that's it. So that's our profile image. So we can now rename it. Rename it to profile. So profile.jpg. So our source is going to be here in assets slash images slash profile.jpg. Alright, we can call this profile. So this is our image, is wrapping an avatar. Okay, so let's do our indentation. So everything looks very clean. So we can save this. Saved. Nothing, because we've not connected our sidebar yet to our main. So when we go here, we create our sidebar component. And no, let's just copy this. Paste it. this, paste it, paste it, sidebar. So that is all. So we save it, we go back. There we are. Good. So we go, so you can see that, you see the way our pages are, this color differs from this color. This color is white, and this looks like some grayish color. So it separates this from this. But when we look at ours, it's like the same thing. So we need to fix that issue. But we're going to come to that. So yeah. So we have an avatar set now. So we look at what we have next. We have these two names below the avatar, right? So we can come down, and then we can have a, you can either just put it there like that. You can have a header for, and maybe some span or thing or paragraph. We're going to do a paragraph. And we're going to write what? Anything, any information that you want, maybe software engineer. Any information. And then here can be a name. So you can just put a name here. So Visify has some classes that you can help you edit stuff. So you can say font weight, and you can choose bold, or I think it's bold. And then the paragraph, you can just make it light. Font weight light. Alright, so I think that is it. So we're going to save this. And there we are. So we have the name and then the other stuff. So I think, so imagine top of 4. Separate it a bit so you can see. And it has to be in the middle, right? Everything has to be in the middle. So that's where this comes in. So so we're going to say class, because this unwraps, this unwraps everything, right? So you're going to say test center, and then it position is in the center. You can see everything is in the center now. Yeah, so we're done, and we are going to work on the thing around the border around it, and then the padding. Okay, yeah, we're going to work on that. So we have it here, and then what's next? Next is this one. Okay, so we're going to come down. So this unwraps this whole thing. So we're going to come down here and create another div, and then we're going to call this menu, and okay, so we're just going to copy our list that we have here. Where is it? So go to view list. And then we need a very simple one. So this is like a view list item. This is too complicated. So something like this, but this comes with the groups. We don't want the group. So we have a view list group. That's not what I want. Yeah, this is what we want. All right. Yeah, this is what we want. This even looks similar to what we are looking for. All right, so we have the image, view list, blah blah, image item, and now this is what we want. So we have the view list, so we copy from the view list. So here, we also need a divider. So we copy view list. and then we copy the divider. Alright, so we come in here, so inside our class name we just paste it. So we can edit this and make it more nicer. So our main list good, the model is item, so we can change this to menu, and the color is primary, the items, so item in what, so menu, we can change this to menu items, because we are going to loop, we're not just going to create it one by one. That's going to make it a lot, so we are going to loop through the menu items. Okay, so the key is there like that, that's fine. I think that's okay. And then we have a vinless icon, that'll be the item.icon, that's it. And the content item.test. Yeah, so I think that's exactly what we want. So we need to create this vim model and then these menu items. So when we come here to this script, so our item is 0, and then you can see it has the items here, so we can copy and we can create our own data. I name this sidebar, and then we can just say data. I like to create the old stuff. I like the old stuff because then I can pass this property inside. So we just paste it. Yeah, so this is menu. This is called menu items. So menu item dot test and the menu item dot icon. So yeah, so we have it. That is, so we save it. Shouldn't have any errors. Done. So we go to job board. Ooh, where is it? You didn't see it, right? Why? So we search. So maybe okay, it's not there. Our divider is showing, but our vein list is not showing. Interesting. Very interesting. Very for item. The key is there. Vein test is equal to item the icon, and then the content, the item the test. Wow, this thing should work. I don't know. We have a data function that returns this. This should work. I don't know why it's not working. So we're going to start the sidebar. Did I do something wrong? So we go to beautify. Yeah, it's the same thing. Menu items. I think that is a reason. It's caps lock. Yeah, so you have it. Ooh, so this is it. So we need to go and set our colors though. We need to set our primary colors and all that stuff. So we have it. So now we need to do this whole border around the border around, and then change this whole thing. I think this one you can do it yourself. Yeah, and then choose the icon that best suits the thing. Yeah, so my boss just slapped me. You can see. Yeah, so I think we're done with the sidebar. It's working. So we need to put the border around it. So we go here and sidebar, class sidebar, and we come here to the script. scope. Let's say border. First of all, let's do a border first. So 1 pixel solid gray or whatever color that we want. So that is the border first. So now you can see the border around it in the 1 pixel solid whatever. So we need to give it a padding, right? Because you can see the padding here and then the padding here. So on the side, I don't think there's a padding on the side. So just a padding top. This is okay. This here is okay. So there's a padding top. So you can say CSS is weird, you know. Sometimes you just forget all the stuff. Padding top. We say 20 pixels. I don't know, but let's see. Let's see 20 pixels. Is it okay? 20 pixels. Yeah, I think it's okay. So yeah. I think this color is too deep according to this. Yeah, so we need to find that light gray thing. So we can just hold on here. Choose a lighter gray. Yeah. Yeah, this is okay. Jesus. This is still not 2 3, right? 2 3 7. I'll take this like that. Let me see a 2 pixel solid. That's too much. So let's do a border radius of 10 pixels. That's too much. Oh, that's okay. I think the 2 pixels is too much. So we can just do 1 pixel. Alright, this makes sense. Yeah, I think this makes sense. So yeah, I think this is okay. So we can change it. So instead of my files, we can just say dashboard and MDA folder. We can just change it to MDI. I don't know but just guessing. Oof, we don't have anything like MDI dashboard. I think it's dashboard. This thing is going to take another year. View dashboard. Okay. So we're gonna have view dashboard like that. So we have dashboard, right? Cool. Dashboard. So we need to change the primary color to this violet thing, right? So we can have the same colors there. So that will be beautify stuff. So we're just going to copy. I had this in mind first, but I don't forget. Customization. This thing is really, really, really. I hate it. Beautify colors. Anyway, let me just copy it from one of my previous projects. Which did I use? I didn't use. This is making me angry. There's a way you can add the. I forgot to. You just copy it from. No, customization, icons, colors. Okay, that's it. So you theme object, light object, theme object, this object. So we just copy it like this. So yes, you have a primary color, so you can just take this out. and just go with the colors. I don't think you have it in white. Just cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. Then have themes. Themes. No, this is some mistakes somewhere. Themes, color, color. So you only need the primary color. You can set the rest of the colors. You can look out for how it's done. You have the themes, light, just light here. Let me paste it. Why is it still doing so strange? So we need that color. So we go to sidebar and then we just say color red. So we need to get that deep, this color. I think it's this color or something. Just copy it. Go there. This will not work. I need the, what do you call it? So I'm just gonna color picker, come here, and then just choose it. Anything that has that kind of color in it, violet thing, and add the hash. Just say C. So we have, yeah, we have that color. So I think it's okay. We can, the rest of the stuff we can just be changing it afterwards. Yeah, I think we have something similar. So let's go to the main page or the main dashboard. So now we are done with the stuff. So you can edit the names one by one if you want. Yeah, and then change the stuff, use the icons, use the material design icons, choose the icons and do it. And then when we come back, we just deal on the dashboard design, this whole thing. So thanks for watching.